Finally, 3.0 utter failure in India. It's clear that Modi has the ability of entering into Padma Vyuha like Abhimanyu. Same manner, Sri Modi doesn't know how to came out from Padma Vyuha like Abhimanyu. It's clear once again after 3.0 lockdown in India, giving permission to liquor shops. There is no social distance and a big chance of all the attempt of Sri Modi 1.1 and 2.0. Everything went like the ash into a cup of water, or the ash mixed into a scent bottle. Why Sri Modi not understanding the simple logic that opening bar and alcohol hubs in entire India in 3.3, the first day impression, the entire Indian public and especially the women talking about this issue that Modi has did something better from last 40 days, but the decision of giving permissions to alcohol and bars, each and every effort of his last 40 days has been in vain. Is 508 in Jan Dhan accounts and 5 kgs rice for 1 month. The alcohol addicts are spending least amount of 500 rupees and highest amount of 2,100 rupees today. Why Modi chose this way to build economy, 2 states, giving permission to selling alcohol in states is fundamentally a big mistake. It's not my opinion, the opinion of entire India today, as well as more importantly the poor family women's. The more important issue is that many reporters asked the alcohol addicts while they are in lines how you get money to buy the alcohol. They are openly telling that we are taking loans to buy the alcohol. Thanking you.